to what they want, and you could lose marks if you have it in the wrong order. So now, with that being said, let's move to question 8, and it's asking us, what is the charge of the barium ion? Okay, so with this, actually, barium is all the way down here. Okay, as you can see, sorry, kind of an early morning for me. So with that being said, okay, to find out the charge of the barium ion, we can actually just refer straight to the periodic table. It is on the second column. Okay, so most likely it's going to have 2 valence electrons that it wants to get rid of to follow the octet rule, but we can actually show it a different way as well. So kind of like how we're doing the whole electron configuration, we can start from the most recent noble gas, which in this case would be xenon. Okay, kind of like we're doing just the electron configuration, the shorthanded version. Okay, and as we've discussed, right, it's 6 because it's in the 6th row, S because it's here in this corner here in the first and second column, 2 because it's the second one there. Okay, this tells us actually, because it has a 2 up there, that's the not the charge, but exactly has 2 valence electrons. So to become quote unquote a noble gas, instead of having to add 6 more to fill the octet rule, it'd be easy to just get rid of those 2 to fill the octet rule. So then typically then the charge of barium you'd see in nature as an ion would just be 2+, because when you get rid of electrons, it's a positive change, hence why we have 2+ right here, because it got rid of 2 electrons. Okay, so that would be the charge of a barium ion. Now, with that being said, let's see how we did in regards to this question. I was able to show 2 different ways. One just using the periodic table, the next way just actually showing the electron configuration. Okay, so actually electron configuration is actually what they use here in this question, and it is 6s2, which means it has 2 valence electrons, and then it gives us that 2 to fill the octet rule rather than trying to gain 6 more. Therefore, it's like this charge is 2+. This is correct. So exactly, this is a barium 2+ ion.